The 14th edition of the Joint Military Exercise Bold Kurukshetra 2025 was conducted between India and which other country? Correct option is D. Singapore. Which country defeated Nepal in the finals of both the men's and women's categories at the Kho-Kho World Cup 2025? Correct option is C. India. Who is credited with the discovery of light dispersion? Right option is C. Sir Isaac Newton. Which Indian state is home to the Core Desert Biosphere Reserve recently designated by UNESCO? Correct option is B. Himachal Pradesh. In Rutherford gold foil experiment, which positively charged particles were fired at the gold foil to discover the atomic nucleus? Right option is C. Alpha particles. Who was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 2025 from Maharashtra in the field of art? Right option is A. Shekhar Kapoor. What are the products formed when an acid reacts with a metal carbonate? Correct option is B. Metal salt, water and carbon dioxide. Which player was awarded the Player of the Match in both the 2017 and 2025 IPL finals? Correct option is D. Krunal Pandya. What does the area enclosed by a velocity time graph and the time axis represent? Right option is B. Displacement. Which critical technical issue on the Falcon 9 rocket led to significant delays for the Axiom 4 mission? Correct option is C. Liquid oxygen leak in the engine bay. Which of the following is a saturated hydrocarbon? Right option is C. Propane. Which bank recently inaugurated its international banking unit at Gift City? Correct option is D. Mashreq Bank. Which indicator turns colorless in an acidic medium and pink in a basic medium? Correct option is C. Phenolphthalein. Who won the men's elite race at the 2025 Paris Marathon? Correct option is A. Bernard Bivot. Petroleum is classified as which of the following? Right option is A. Non-renewable resource. To hear a distinct echo, what is the minimum time interval required between the original sound and the reflected sound? Correct option is B. 0.1 seconds. The International Big Cats Alliance aims to conserve how many major big cat species globally? Correct option is C. 7. HIV or AIDS is not transmitted through which of the following? Right option is D. Hugging an HIV patient. Who became the first Indian to break the 13-minute barrier in the men's 5,000-meter indoor race, setting a new national and Asian record? Right option is C. Gulveer Singh. In the electrolytic refining process, the cathode is made of which of the following? Correct option is B. Thin sheet of pure metal. In January, Russia signed a defense and industry agreement with which country? Correct option is D. Iran. Which is the primary protective tissue found on the surfaces of organs and lining internal cavities in animals? Correct option is A. Epithelial tissue. Who is the winner of the women's elite race at the 2025 Paris Marathon? Right option is A. Bedatu Hirpa. If the work done is 600 joules and the time taken is 3 minutes, what will be the power? Correct option is C. 3.33 watts. Which of the following statements about mass number is incorrect? Correct option is B. Prosium and deuterium have the same atomic mass. Which state will host the 39th session of the National Games? Correct option is A. Meghalaya. Which country has become the 107th member country of the International Solar Alliance? Correct option is C. Moldova. The Sambhav system is an indigenously developed secure mobile ecosystem related to whom? Correct option is D. Indian Army. Which is the first Indian port to produce green hydrogen? Correct option is B. V.O. Chidambarnar Port. Who has been appointed as the Vice Chief of the Indian Navy? Correct option is B. Sanjay Vatsyayan. Who won the Best Actor award in the 71st National Film Awards? Correct option is C. Shah Rukh Khan and Vikrant Massey. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal? Correct option is A. Sanjay Singhal. Assam has launched which scheme to promote higher education of girls? Correct option is B. Nijut Moina 2.0. Who received the 31st MS Swaminathan Award in the individual category for environmental protection? Correct option is B. Mr. Virappan. Who inaugurated the Buddha Samyak Darshan Museum and Memorial Stupa in Vaishali? Correct option is A. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. India participated in the multilateral military exercise Jhapat 2025 with which country? Correct option is D. Russia. Who is the first Indian to be awarded the IUCN's Kenton Miller Award 2025? Correct option is B. Sonali Ghosh. Which country has recently unveiled the world's most powerful non-nuclear bomb gadget? Correct option is C. Turkey. What is the rank of India in the Global Peace Index 2025? Correct option is B. 115th. Who has launched the AI-powered chatbot called Skill India Assistant? Correct option is B. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Where will India's first fully indigenous 50 kilowatt geothermal power plant be installed? Correct option is A. Arunachal Pradesh. Which Indian NGO has become the first to win the Ramon Magsaysay Award in 2025? Correct option is C. Educate Girls. Which country has recently been declared trachoma-free by the World Health Organization? Correct option is D. Senegal. Where was the country's second green hydrogen plant recently inaugurated? Correct option is A. Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Which state has become India's largest processed potato producing state in the year 2024-25? Correct option is A. Gujarat. What position has the World Travel and Tourism Council given to India among the top 10 economies of the world in 2024-25? Correct option is B. 8th. Indian Air Force has announced to retire which fighter aircraft by September 2025? Correct option is C. MiG-21. Where was the recently built indigenous pollution control vessel Samudra Prachet launched? Correct option is C. Goa. In which state or union territory has the proposal of One Road One Day scheme been passed? Correct option is A. Delhi. In which state India's first nomadic village has been established? Correct option is D. Sikkim. Which national scheme has been launched by the Government of India to promote energy efficiency in MSMEs? Correct option is B. Aditi Yojana. The Indian Navy has started its first bilateral exercise in Rokan with which country? Correct option is B. South Korea.